Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. And guess what, y'all? I have a Temu order. Yes, Temu order. Temu did not send me anything to review, so I bought this with my own money, and I would like to share with you all what I purchased. It's not much. I think it's about 4 pieces that I ordered. So let me share with y'all what I've gotten. Let me go ahead and open up this package. It's not much, but I just wanted to share. Let me see if I can get it out of here. Okay, let me open this little box here. But one thing I tell you, their packagings are great. The way they package these items are great. Now this, I remembered, because I like someone who did, let me see, what did they do? An unboxing on TikTok. Yes, an unboxing on TikTok. And I loved it. So I decided to go ahead and get me one. Get me a set. It is a cup with a little platter there and a spoon. You know, looks like a purse. But let me go ahead and just take it out the box and show y'all. Let me show y'all. So I thought it was really cute, y'all. This is how it's packaged. Here's the little cup, like a little purse. So really, a cup. And I got mine in black. It comes in pink and gold, white and gold, black and gold. So I got mine in black and gold. Look how cute that is, y'all. It's like a little quilted detail in it. Gold trimming around the rim and the handle. Thought this was really cute. And y'all, and here's the spoon that comes with it, a little gold spoon. So this can be, you know, for your tea or your coffee. Little spoon to stir your tea or coffee. That is so cute. And then here's the little trying to see what you call it, but I will call it a little platter. A little saucer platter. How cute is that, y'all? Like a little purse. Look at that. That is too cute. So the box says Ming Yi Cien Simple Fashion Ceramic Plate Set. Stems from the love of life. You can see that. That looks like. Then I ordered an eyebrow template. You know, all this stuff is, I think it's come from China. So it has like you know, their writing, Chinese writing. So it comes with the little handle here. Let me see, y'all. Anyway, this is supposed to be the handle, and this heart-shaped part's supposed to fit up in here, and I can't get it in there because I don't want to break it. Okay, I got it. So you're going to place it up here and draw your eyebrows. Okay, I don't know how it's going to look, but I'm gonna have to do a tutorial when I get a chance. So has different shapes. So it comes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 stencils. Okay. And y'all, I think I had ordered an eyebrow pencil. Oh yes. Okay. Really not an eyebrow pencil, but it is an eyeliner stick, and I've gotten this in black. I had ordered one. I did a review on my first Temu package, and I did order an eyeliner stick, and it is Ms. Rose Long Wear Gel Eyeliner. And I got some on now from the other pencil. I mean, from the other stick that I ordered. So this is what it looks like. Black eyeliner. Goes on really smooth. My last item is the mini washing machine. The multi-function folding washing machine. Clothes fitting, clothes healthy cleaning. See? So let me go ahead and open it up. And I may just show y'all how it works. And you know what? I mainly got this not just for washing clothes, maybe for washing my wigs. Mainly for washing my wigs. Or maybe a quick item that I need to wash, but nothing big, but some, you know, small items. So this is the lid. This is the little, I guess, the little cycle, the little spin cycle thingy. This is the cord. The little cord here. And it has the little instructions here. Product introduction. Showing you how to set it up and everything. So, that's what it looks like. And you pop it out. That's what it looks like. What it looks like on the inside. And you know what I think? Okay, this is to wash the clothes in here. Wash your clothes. And then when you get ready to drain your water from here. And then it also has a spin cycle. So this is what this is. this little drum here. This is to spin your clothes dry. You know, just to get the water out your clothes, but of course it won't dry, but you have to put your clothes into the dryer to, you know, dry it. So, let me see. Yeah, I don't have my glasses on. So yeah, just gonna go up in here, just like that. And this is the lid. Well, anywho, this is what it looks like, and it has your settings here. Let me see, this is the switch. This is your settings. You can wash it for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and 2 minutes. This is your switch here to turn it on. And this is where you plug your plug at. Okay, this is where you plug it. Okay, so let's do this. All right, y'all. My first time, hey, using it, so let me demonstrate to y'all how it is used, okay? All right, stay tuned. First, I am going to connect my plug. I'm going to plug it in. Okay. Trying to remember how to get this out. Okay, it is fully expanded. So let's see. Okay, that's how you turn it on. Okay, the little switch right here. Okay, turn it off. It's just pretty much showing you the settings, okay? You just touch it. I thought maybe you just push button, so you just touch it. And you just touch it. So what you do, let me fill it up with, well, let me show you something. Then 15 minutes or 2 minutes. Okay, and you just hold it in order to turn it off. So let me fill it with water. So I'm just going to, it doesn't have a mark to where, you know, you want to fill your water. So I'm just going to fill it probably to right here. So I'm just going to wash a few hand towels. Let me fill it up. So about maybe that much water, if you can see that. And it does have a suction cup at the bottom. So Let me throw in a few towels. Okay, got my water in there. Go ahead and turn it. I'm going to set it for 2 minutes. To put the lid on top. And I'm going to let it wash for 2 minutes. Be right back when it's finished and show you the spin process. So with this little mini washer, you really can't put much in here. So these are the few items that I have. I don't know if I don't have enough water in it, but it's only 3 towels that I'm putting in here. So if I take this towel out here, okay, it's washing okay. So this towel here is pretty heavy, so it's doing pretty good with only a couple of towels. But like I mentioned to y'all, I'm going to use this washing machine to wash my wigs only, and maybe a couple of panties or bras, but nothing heavy. So, well, for me, you know, other people, they, you know, wash children clothes, a few underwears or what have you. So I'm going to use this to wash my wigs. So I reset it for about 2 more minutes. So I'm just showing y'all how, okay, it stopped. And the lights will go off. And now, let's drain this. Took the lid off. Let's drain it. Tilting it aside so we get all the water out. Tilting it to the side. So, now I'm sure that people do wring it out, you know, get all that excess water off their items. Okay, now I'm going to put the spin basket in. I'm just going to only put in these towels just to see what it does. Okay. I'm going to put that back. Let's give it a spin. Okay, what's going on? Okay, oh, it's rotating. back the other way. It keeps doing this until your time runs out. So I got it for about, I got it for 10 minutes. And I'll be right back. Whew. Okay, y'all, that is the end of my haul. So I just wanted to show y'all that, but I'm gonna be using that for my wigs. So y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. I don't think I'm gonna be ordering any more stuff from Temu unless they send me something to do a review. I would do a review, but I will not order anything else off Temu. So y'all, that is the end of my haul. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell button so that you'll be notified every time when I get ready to upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and come back because you never know what I may have next for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.